welcome back to my channel. My name is Nisiah for those of you who do not know me, and if you are new, welcome. Today I'll be doing my Kaletonic Juice, and the ingredients I will be using will be 2 lemons, 2 Fuji apples, 1.5 cucumbers, 1 bunch of kale, and a cup of water chilled. Alrighty guys, so we're just going to go ahead and start cutting up our fruits and vegetables. We're going to cut up 2 apples, 2 lemons, a bunch of kale, and 1.5 cucumbers. Alrighty guys, so I just want to let you guys know that when you are peeling or tearing off the kale, to leave the stem out when you are juicing it, because this stem right here is really bitter and it will mess up the taste of your juice. But if you want to leave it in, it's totally up to you. That's fine. Just me personally, I like to leave it out. Alrighty, so we're just going to jump right into the video. The type of juicer that I'll be using today will be the Kenmore brand. If you do not have a juicer, that's fine. You can also blend it up and then strain it at the end. Personally, if you want the all the full nutrients, you would keep the pulp and not drain it, but I personally like that juicy, consistency without all swallowing all the chunks of it. So I would definitely go ahead and, strain it or juice it type thing. Alrighty, so I'm going to finish up adding the fruits and vegetables to the juicer and finish that up. In this next step, you will see me adding ice into a blender. This step you can totally skip. You really don't need it, but I personally like my juice really cold in the morning, so it makes me more refreshed. But you can also just add the cold bottle of water that I mentioned in the ingredients earlier to your juice, and you'll be perfectly fine with that. Alrighty, so some health benefits of lemon would be that it promotes hydration, it's a good source of vitamin C, it aids in digestion, and it improves your skin quality as well as it freshens your breath. This is why a lot of people do detox waters and stuff like that, like cut up their lemon and put in their waters, because it is good for your skin. So if you're having a hard time with acne and things like that, I would definitely recommend this. Alrighty, so some health benefits of kale would be that it is loaded with powerful antioxidants like quercetin and camphor. I cannot pronounce that, but those two. It is also an excellent source of vitamin C and vitamin K. Kale can also lower cholesterol, which may also reduce the risk of heart disease. And finally, there are also very numerous cancer-fighting substances in kale. Alrighty, so some of the important health benefits of KUJI apples would be that they're extremely rich in important antioxidants, flavonoids, and dietary fiber. The polynutrients and antioxidants in apples may help reduce the risk of developing cancer, hypertension, diabetes, and heart disease. Alrighty, so my favorite vegetable of all time would be cucumbers, of course, the best for last. But yeah, so some health benefits would be that they soothe skin, they contain antioxidants, promote hydration, they're high in nutrients, and cucumbers also promote bone health as well as boosting cardiovascular health. That's why you see most times that people do also try to use cucumbers for your face, like facials, cucumber water, and things of that nature. They taste amazing as well as they smell good too, so perks for that.